In this tutorial, I will show you that how can recover account in FC Mobile in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. It's a very easy process to do. For the first step, if you open this FC Mobile, you will see a dashboard like this. Then you need to click on that gear icon that's showing right upper side. Here you will see these sum of settings. Now to recover your account, the first step is simply try to link accounts. Click on that link account and you will see these multiple options. If your account was linked to any of these options, you can simply select it, and after connecting your FC Mobile account to any of the one of this account, your account will be recovered. Like if I log in my account here of EA account that was linked to this FC Mobile, my account will recover. This was the first method. For the second method, scroll it down, open this customer service option. It will take you to its official website of EA Help. Here you can search for recover, where you will see this, how can I recover my account? Open it. Here you will see some of options to recover your account that I showed you in first method. So we need to simply scroll it down and click on chat with us. After clicking on it, it will open up this type of chat section where you can select lost account. Then they will ask you to provide information about so how they can help you. You can type here, I want to recover my lost account. Send it and select no, it didn't help. After providing your information about your lost account, they will help you to recover your account. So these were the ways to recover account in FC Mobile in just few steps.